Welcome to another interesting video. Today we will be looking into current issues on AI and specifically summary of latest issues on AI. Segment 1: The AI Video Earthquake. We will start this conversation with the new big word making the headlines, AI Video Earthquake, that is changing how creators edit and publish content. Automated content creation. New tools like Asian Opus are attempting to build entire videos from scratch using simple prompts, even creating AI versions of the presenters to deliver scripts. While current beta versions show some weaknesses in visual consistency, the AI-generated scripts and voices are already considered high quality. The B-roll war. The competition for high-quality video generation has intensified, with Kling AI releasing 5 updates in 5 days and Runway dropping Gen 4.5, which claims king status for physical accuracy and expressive characters. Precision editing. Kling 01 now allows creators to upload images to define scenes, erase objects from videos, and even generate footage of what happened before or after a specific clip was filmed. Identity protection. In response to these tools, YouTube has launched likeness detection to help creators manage and request the removal of unauthorized AI content using their facial likeness. Segment 2: SE 3.0, the era of the coding agent. The discussion shifts from video to the back end of technology, exploring software engineering, SE 3.0, where AI evolves from a co-pilot to an autonomous teammate. The rise of AI Dev. A massive new dataset called AI Dev has tracked over 456,000 agentic pull requests, PRS. OpenAI Codex alone has initiated over 400,000 PRS in open-source repositories since May 2025. Speed versus trust. While AI agents can resolve tasks in minutes, drastically outperforming humans in speed, their code is accepted less frequently than human-authored work. This reveals a quality gap where agents struggle with project-specific nuances and complex reasoning. Scaling laws. Research from Microsoft highlights that the same power laws that govern language models apply to these agents. However, the tokenizer's compression rate, how much data is turned into AI tokens, heavily influences how much compute is needed to make a model performant. Simplification. Currently, agent-assisted coding tends to favor lower structural complexity, often focusing on boilerplate or simple updates rather than intricate, optimized logic. Segment 3: Daily Life, Robotics, and Geopolitics. This segment covers how these high-level technologies are trickling down into daily scheduling and global policy. Scheduling your life. OpenAI has introduced Tasks, a feature allowing users to schedule recurring AI actions, such as weekly news summaries or status checks on YouTube channels. While early tests show issues with hallucinating success, claiming a task is done when it isn't, it represents a step toward agentic workflows that interact with other apps like Slack or Google Drive. The robotics division. OpenAI recently launched a new robotics and consumer hardware division, signaling a move into physical AI. This aligns with global trends where the market for industrial robots has hit a record $16.5 billion. Infrastructure and policy. President Biden signed an executive order to speed up AI data center construction, prioritizing national security and clean energy while attempting to ensure these centers do not drive up consumer electricity prices. Segment for Professional Evolution and Ethical Guardrails. The final segment focuses on how specific industries like SEO and journalism are reacting to AI. SEO and mediocrity expert Sarah Toher argues that mediocrity has no place anymore because AI can produce acceptable content cheaper and faster than mediocre humans. To survive, professionals must move toward managing armies of AI agents for technical audits and optimization rather than doing manual keyword research. Journalism and the liar's dividend. AI-generated imagery presents a profound ethical challenge for news. Sophisticated fakes lead to the liar's dividend, where dishonest actors can dismiss authentic evidence as AI-generated to evade accountability. Multilingual media. In Nigeria, TVC News has launched the country's first multilingual AI news anchors, delivering bulletins in 5 local languages to reach underserved audiences. They use strict human oversight and watermarking to combat misinformation. Closing summary. To understand this current moment in AI development, consider the shift from owning a car to managing a logistics fleet. In the past, SE 1.0, you walked everywhere or built your own bike. Then, AI acted like a car, SE 2.0, it got you to your destination faster, but you still had to steer every turn. Today, we are moving toward a fleet management system, SE 3.0. You no longer drive, but you must be a skilled dispatcher, setting the destination and ensuring your autonomous drivers haven't taken a wrong turn or ignored the rules of the road. For fascinating and up-to-date issues, discussion and news on AI, its application and more, kindly hit the subscribe button so you won't miss anything. See you in the next video.